Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm trading NASDAQ100 gold and USDCAD, guys. As you can see, I've entered trades on all three trading instruments. The last trade that I entered was the NASDAQ100. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. We have sent all three signals in our WhatsApp signal group. So let's see how it goes. Don't forget, guys, if you're interested in joining the WhatsApp signal group, just send a message to the number on the screen to inquire about the services that we offer. Just send us a WhatsApp message, guys, to the number on the screen. So guys, just to avoid this video being too long, I'm going to pause the recording and resume when I have some updates or before I close my trades. Okay guys, here's the update on my trades. It's been about one hour and this is the update, guys. Actually, it's been 2 hours, guys. I'm happy with the profit, guys. I'm going to close my trades very soon. I'm happy with these profits. $11,000 in 2 hours. Don't forget, guys, we send signals every day in our WhatsApp signal group. So if anyone is interested in joining the WhatsApp signal group, just contact us via WhatsApp. The number will be on the screen, guys. The number will be on the screen. If you want to see similar results in your trades, just contact us via WhatsApp, guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm done for the day. I'm about to close these trades and hoping to hear from you on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.